So this is Realme 5G. Let's read. As you can see, it's slim with 15.6 mm width. It's this box, packaged box, and it came inside it. A great story since the first sleep. We know that its motto is dare to live. This is charger, and this one's the cable. There's also a pin out here. Let's keep this back in and look into some. What's this? Yeah. So pins inside this. Here it goes. Okay. Realme 5G. Yeah. As you can see, here's the side fingerprint scanner, and it can be set up with locks, numeric locks also, or any type of lock. Also face locks included. It's very efficient in opening. And then there's this 90 Hz refresh rate. That's so smooth. And this Realme UI 2.0 with all of these apps pre-installed. Let's look into this fast speed. So testing out 5G. It's nice. It's currently isn't rolled out in India, but yeah, as the 4G speed is also nice. We have done a CPU benchmark test and it gave pretty good results. So yeah, it's good and it won't just lag or anything like that. And then this is also in camera. This at the back, like 4 cameras. It's just amazing to see this. Just awesome. And then there's a for zooming in up to 10x zoom power, and you can see it's clear up to 5 times, and then it gets a little blurred, but when you take the picture it just okay. That's all. Thank you for watching. Do like and share and subscribe to this channel.